right, let's see what we got on this bonus. We are still, let's see, we're betting 50 cents times 2, so $1 a spin. We got a $20 bubble up there. Dollar. Oh, there we go. I like it. Another $20. Come on, pop it in. Give us another word. Another word. $1. Come on, give us another word. Pop it in. Pop it in. Come on, another word. Another word. Come on, babe. Pop it in. Pop it in there, baby. Come on. Oh yeah, we'll take it. They're babies, but that's okay. We'll take them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more, baby. Let's fill this thing up. Come on, pop it in. Anything. Anything. Come on, we need to fill it up for $5,446.46. Great number. Come on. Anything. Pop it in. Anything. Anything. Pop it in, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Last spin. Last spin. Pop it in. Come on. Come on. Alright. That's alright. Got a couple of good bubbles on this one. A couple of good ones. We got 2 minis. One there. And one there. Pretty awesome. I'll take it. $63. Alright. Thank you, thank you. Like to see those coins flying. Alright. Nice one.